My Dubai story, I rescued a baby bird. I already saw it. Then I decided to check it, if he needed my help. Watch until the end. What happens next?
Oh my god.
Hello. Humans, can you help me?
So saan ang ano nito? Where is your nest?
I don't know. Humans.
So I'm gonna put you here.
No. Humans, I want to stay more time with you.
Oh my god, he don't want to go.
So, I look around again to look his nest.
So what I'm gonna do now with this bird?
Yeah. Take me home, humans. Then we will watch your YT videos. Ha ha ha.
Go there.
I think I'm ready to fly. Thank you for your kindness. Don't forget to subscribers to his channel, your official Webby channel. Goodbye, humans. Ha ha ha.
Where is it now? Bye bye.